Hi, in this video we'll look at how to set up your Piazza account. So we're going to do a search here for Piazza, and so I'm just going to type in Piazza in my Chrome web address to do a simple search. So first thing is, what is Piazza? So Piazza is simply a free web-based question and answer tool that you can utilize for discussion forums, and this is what we'll be pretty much looking at in this video. So and you're seeing all the different information here regarding Piazza in terms of when it was started and founder, etc. Alright, so this is piazza.com, and here we have the link that we're going to use. I'm just going to right click here and open a new tab to keep this window open, and then I'll go to my next tab and we'll see the options we have to work here. So notice you have well, three options here that you're seeing. Of course, you have the sign up login here, but you also have the option to start as a student, start as a professor or TA, teaching assistant. I'm just going to duplicate this window here by just right clicking, duplicate, and then I'm going to keep this window. So this one is for students, this one is for professor. So I'm going to start off with getting started as a professor. So if you're a professor and you're watching this, or you're a teacher, you can use this option here, the blue. Here you also have an option to see what a real class looks like. I think we should take a look at this first, and then we'll move on. So I'm just going to have duplicate this again. Let's look at what a real class looks like. So we're going to click on view, and we'll get a chance to see what a real class would look like using Piazza. So okay, so here we go. Here we can see this is a sample class, and we're seeing different postings that were made, and we're also seeing here this gives us, it says quick feature that professors can use. It gives you all the different features there, and here you're seeing some of that as well, statistics and so on. Alright, so here you're seeing a real class, and these are some of the posts. We can click here to view over on your left in the panel section there, and here you're seeing a particular question that was asked, and then the different responses, right, of the students as well. Alright, so this gives us a pretty good indication of a simple example of that, and you're seeing the different you can click on this to see the different you know, different postings that were made or created by the instructor here. Alright, so let us get started. We're going to go back to our page for signing up, and I'm going to click on Professor and TA Get Started here. And it's asking you to enter your school. We can create a school if it doesn't already exist, so yeah, let's call it my school. Okay, here we go. My school, let's say 2019 or something. I'm not going to attach a date to it, but let's just call it my school 101. There we go. So add to that. So here we go. And as is for school domain, enter your institution's email domain, example edu. Right, my school does not have its own email domain. Alright, so here we go. We agree to the terms, continue. So it's my school 101, class name. Okay, the term, let's put the term as what is here. That's what was that, spring? Okay, so we're going to leave it as it is, and let's call this class let's call it Piazza 101, and we can click on create. Class number, let's say 10. Oh, class number would be 101. And let's see, the enrollment will be 10. And sure, we can click on create class here. So we fill in all of this information. Click on create class, then you have to enter your email. Let me just do a quick check on my email here. It's okay, I'd created a simple email, so let's see if this is no, it's the other way around. Okay, one moment. Okay, so here we go. All right, I'm just gonna copy and paste here for confirmation. Let's do it that way. All right, let's enroll. Oh, okay, we're joining as a professor in this case. All right, so I forgot to check that. So we're joining as a professor. You need to check this little box here. Click on enroll, and there we go. We have to activate. So I'm just gonna go to my email here, and let's see. Okay, here we go. We have a email from Piazza. Let's go to access code. All right, so I would need to click on this little link here. All right, so I'm just going to open this link. It would already open a new tab, but let's do it this way. Wonderful. All right, so here we go. All right, so I think that's pretty much. Here is my access code. Okay, that's pretty much that, but I need to copy this access code here and click here to activate. So that was the wrong link. So let me do this, and then this is the code we're going to copy here to activate. Okay, all right, so here we go. That's my email address. And I'm gonna choose a password. Let's make it simple. Hold on, let me do a quick correction here. All right, let's try it this way. Okay. All right, I think this should do it. All right, and there we go. So that's a quick setup, and so I hope that you have learned something from this little session, and if you did, you can go ahead and like this video, and you can share it with someone else. And thank you. Please subscribe as well for more. Thanks for watching.